Hey 30K lovers, welcome to Bad Tabletop Gaming. Today we got a pretty awesome match. We have Dan, who's playing his Iron Hands, and we got Craig, who's playing his Sons of Horus. It's going to be great. So from here we're going to go into a army readout.
For my HQ, I have a Praetor. He has Cataphractic Terminator armor, a Paragon blade, it's master crafted. He also has a digital laser and a combi bolter. For my first and only elite choice, I have a Terminator squad. They're in Tartarus pattern Terminator armor. The sergeant has a power sword, a Volkite charger. The rest of the squad has power fists and one has a plasma blaster. They're riding in a Land Raider Spartan. It has dozer blades, and that is it. For my first troop choice, I have a 10-man tactical squad. The sergeant is armed with a heavy chainsword. The rest of the squad has bolters. For my second troop choice, it's another 10-man tactical squad. The sergeant is armed with a power sword. The rest of the squad has bolters. For my first heavy support choice, I have a 6-man heavy support squad. They're armed with las cannons. The sergeant has an augury scanner for those deep striking goodness. For my second heavy support choice, I have a Sakaran battle tank. It has auxiliary drive and extra armor. He also has sponson las cannons.
Starting off is my HQ, my one and only. I am not taking a right, and his warlord trait is Paladin of Glory, so he's fearless and gets +1 to combat resolution. He is upgraded with a power fist, Paragon blade, digital lasers, iron halo, and I mastercrafted the Paragon blade. My first and only elite choice is a 8-man squad of vets. They have the weapon master, and they have all power swords. My first of second troop choices is a tactical squad with bolters. They also are in a dedicated rhino. Second troop choice, bolter marines in a rhino. First of my heavy support is a Leviathan Siege Dreadnought. He's upgraded with a Ground Flux Bombard, Siege Drill, and Volkite nipples. My second heavy support is a Sakaran battle tank. Has heavy bolter sponsons, a pintle mounted heavy bolter, dozer blade. Last heavy support is a Land Raider Phobos, upgraded with extra armor, ceramite plating, and a dozer blade.
Okay guys, so our mission is going to be Shatter Strike, and our deployment is Search and Destroy. These two guys are going to battle it out over that. So, Dan, what do you think about the mission? How are you going to go about it?
Literally, it's just driving my tanks up and smashing through his line. That's literally all I'm going to do. So,
you going to take that?
No, I've got enough firepower to pop those tanks. There's never more. I've got 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like 12 las cannons. Like, good luck.
Good firepower to that. Oh, I don't know about that armor.
It's just rain to me, man.
And using my Rite of War, the Long March, I'm mobile in my own deployment. I'm relentless, so my las cannons can move in my own deployment zone and get better lines of fire. So
very nice, very nice.
Yeah.
Well, it should be a really good game. We've already rolled off to see for deployment.
Yeah.
Who's picking what side? Dan won the roll off. So we'll be setting up the armies, and then we'll go to a season initiative roll.
I'm hoping.
Okay.
I'm hoping.
All right.
So if you guys like watching our content, please like, share, and subscribe. We're always grateful for anything you guys put out there for us.
Yeah, I'm going to try and seize. And not even close. A 3.
Scaring. Moving over 6. Getting a line of sight on those last cannons. Leviathan moving out of cover. Got a 6. He's just gotta move up. Rhino moving up 12. And then popping smoke. Land Raider moving up 6. Just pivoting. Rhino pivoting. And just moving up 12. Popping smoke. Starting my shooting with the Sicaran. He's going to open up at those heavy support squad with las cannons. Starting with the accelerator auto cannon. Twin linked. Oh, 2 bads. So 4 hits. Looking for 2s because strength 7.
That's a lot of bad.
2 armors. Yeah.
2 armor saves. I'm good.
Good. Next is my 4 heavy bolters. Looking for 3s. There's a lot of fails in there.
No, what?
A lot, yeah. Looking for 3s because of strength 5.
I'll take that one.
Yeah, the 1 armor save.
Yeah!
Oh!
He'll be the closest.
Next, my Leviathan is going to shoot. The only thing that's in range is his Cavaliers, which is going to go into those heavy support squad. They all hit because he's ballistic skill 5.
That bad won't hit.
Oh, so it's twin linked.
It's twin linked. There you go.
There,
Now
they all hit. Looking for 2s because of strength 6. Take 2 armor saves, please. Woo!
So 1.
Deflagrate. Another one, please.
That's 2 guys.
Yeah. Next is the Land Raider. He's going to shoot both his last cannons at the Spartan. He does have to machine spirit one of them because he did move. They both hit. Looking for 5s. 1 glance.
It's a clear shot, so
Yeah.
takes
Takes a whole point.
Leadership role for the heavy support squad. They're good. Okay, Spartan is going to move up 6 inches. Miss Karen is going to move up 6 inches as well. The rest of my Marines are going to stand still. I think right now the best thing I can do is hold off until I can thin out his armor. Okay, my Sicaran is going to fire at the other Sicaran. So I'm going to start with the accelerator autocannon. 6 shots. 1 miss. They'll hit. And let's see what I do. 1 rend. The rend
Pen.
is a pen.
Full result.
4.
4. So stunned.
Yep. Awesome. Response and las cannons are now going to fire. 1 hit.
Woo!
And that's a pen.
That's a glance.
That's a glance, sorry. You're right. So a glance. Spartan is now going to fire at the Leviathan Dreadnought. I need that thing dead.
Mm-hmm.
I am machine spiriting one of the Sponson las cannons. So they're all going to fire at it. Twin linked. They all hit. That was bad.
Yeah!
1 glance.
4 plus. Oh, that went through.
Okay, las cannons are going to fire at the Land Raider. Hoping I may actually do something instead of just glancing. So 3 shots. Oh, they all hit.
Oh, nice.
Now I need that to penetrate.
2
2 glances.
Rhino moving up, trying to hug that cover. Land Raider moving up 6 inches. Leviathan just moving up 6. Gonna go after that Spartan. Rhino's just gonna get behind that Land Raider. Since this Karen has extra armor, he is just shaken. But I'm just gonna move up 8 inches. Leviathan, he's going to open up at the Spartan there. I'll start with the Grav Flux Bombard. All direct hit. Needing 3d6. Nope, that wasn't high enough to hurt your armor. Going into the 1 Melta in his fist. Misses. Land Raider, he's going to open up at the Sicaran. 1 last cannon is in his side, and the other one's in the front arc. I'll start with the side. Hits. Doesn't pen. The front arc. Twin linked. Hits. Looking for 4. 1 pen. There is no cover save.
Nope.
And it's just shaken.
I can handle that.
Sicaran, he's going to snap fire at the 3 remaining heavy supports. Starting with the twin linked accelerator cannon. They all need to be re-rolled. All 1. Oh, give me that 6. Oh, 1 armor save, please.
Can I make it? I made it!
Yes, you can.
And then 12 snap firing last cannon. Or, sorry, heavy bolters.
Last cannon?
I wish.
I like the Sicaran.
Oh,
1.
1. Looking for a 3. Strength 5. Oh, couldn't even do that. Leviathan, he's going to charge the Spartan. Can't overwatch. So I'm just going to roll for my charge roll. And he failed.
Starting my movement, I'm going to move this tactical squad. They're going to move out of cover. 2d6, take the highest, 4 inches. Not moving far, but it's better than nothing. Scaren's going to move up just a little bit and pivot to face that Land Raider. Okay, second tactical squad, it's also going to move forward. They're just going to move straight ahead. So everything else is pretty much staying still. The Spartan's going to stay still. The heavy support squad's going to stay still. And everything else did move. So we're going to move on to my shooting. Spartan is going to shoot at the Leviathan. Hopefully I can kill it. This is my Spartan roll. Twin linked. That's still bad. And
4s.
1 pen.
4 plus. Oh, yes.
Heavy support squad is now going to try and take out the Leviathan. Desperate times call for desperate measures. 3 shots. They all hit. 1 glance, 1 pen.
What do you want first?
Let's do the glance first.
Okay. 4 plus. No, that goes through. Pen. Oh, that goes through as well.
And
Mobilize?
Yep, mobilized. Yeah, I'm okay with that. My Sicaran is going to fire at that Land Raider. I'm hoping to finish it off. So I'm going to start with my accelerator auto cannons. Twin linked, thank goodness. Better. Looking for those 6s. 1-6. I'll take it. And nothing. Darn it. Okay, Spons and Lascans are going to fire. 2 shots. They both hit. Nothing. Yeah, nothing. Darn it. Nothing. Okay, this tactical squad is going to run for a whopping 2 inches. We are fast. Okay, this squad is also going to run. Ooh, 6 inches. They're on fire. Look at them go with the flash.
Land Raider, he's just going to move up 6 and pivot. And my guys are just going to hop out. My unit got out. The vets are going to go after that squad. And my Praetor separated to go after that Sicaran. Sicaran's just going to shift over a little bit. Rhino is just going to move up. Just scooch behind there. Marines are going to get out of the Rhino. Starting with the immobile Leviathan, he's going to shoot his Flux Bombard at the Spartan. That's really the only thing he can really shoot at. Start with scatters 3 inches. Still going to hit it. I'll just roll for that pen now. 3d6. Nope. Within 11. I'm gonna roll for that one mantle. Try and get one glance. Hits. Looking for a 6. No. Sicaran is gonna relentlessly keep shooting at those heavy support squad till they're dead. Hopefully I actually do something this round. Starting with the autocannon. They all hit.
That's a good start. Looking for 2s.
Looking for 2s. Alright. So 5 armor saves and 1 rend. You can take the rend first.
So the cover save. He's good. And the armor saves. 1 guy.
12 heavy bolters. Looking for 3s. Another awesome round of shooting from that. Looking for 3s again. 3 armor saves, please.
I'm good.
My Land Raider, it's going to Machine Spirit 1 into the Spartan, and the other is going to shoot it there as well. 2 last cannon shots. Both hit. Looking for 5s. 1 glance. My Tactical Marines are going to shoot their bolters at his Tactical Marines. I got 20 shots. They're all within rapid fire. Looking for 3s. Got 17 hits. Now I'm looking for 4s.
So you got 9 wounds. So I'm going to make 9 armor saves. 2.
The one Rhino is going to shoot his combi bolter at that squad. They're within rapid fire. Twin linked. Both hits. Looking for 4s. 1 armor save.
My 1 armor save. Dead. Morale for the squad. They're running. Right off the table. Okay, so we determined that the board edge is back here, so I am running 9 inches. Morale for the heavy support squad. They're good.
Praetor charging the Sicaran. He's in. My vets with the power sword's still going to charge that unit. He does have to roll a regrouping test. He passes.
Okay, so my Marines do get their Overwatch. So I'm going to roll the 14 shot. Looking for 6. Wow. Okay, I'm going to be looking for 5s to wound because they're Iron Hands. Because they're special. 1.
Armor save.
Yes!
He failed.
If you,
Make it? And I do. I will roll first because I did charge. I did end up getting 28 with the 7 guys there. They were Weapon Master vets, so I was hitting on 3s. I am now looking for 4s. With the 18 that actually hit. I ended up wounding with 6, so 6 guys are just auto dead.
attacking back, I do still have 7 attacks back. Looking for 4s. And looking for 4s. 2.
Oh, yeah. 1 dice.
So the lone marine that's still alive, he's got to roll his leadership. He needs snake eyes. He's not good. I get a 3 for running. Get away.
And get away.
For my run, I'm running 8 inches.
Consolidation, 1 inch. Starting with my Praetor, he's going to attack the Scaran. He starts with 4 digital lasers, charging, and 2 specialist weapons. He's got 7 attacks. Using my Power Fist, look for 3s. They all hit. Looking for 4s. Rear armor's 12. I got 4 pens. Roll the result for that. It explodes. How far? 6 inches. So that's probably going to hit a bunch of my guys.
2 of your guys. And your Praetor.
And your Sons of Horus guy? Does it
Oh
hit
yeah,
him?
it's going to hit him. Yes, it's going to hit him as well.
The 1 Sons of Horus guy, it doesn't wound.
Praetor doesn't. And the 2 veterans, they're both hit. And they're both wounded.
They're good.
The lone marine is going to try and rally. And he does. My Praetor and Terminators are going to disembark from the Spartan. And they're going to go hunting a lone Praetor all by himself. Okay, Tactical Squad is going to move up. They're going to go around the cover. My Spartan is going to try and finish off this Leviathan. 4 shots. Twin linked. Still miss.
4s.
Cocked. Nothing.
Yeah.
Heavy Support Squad is going to fire its 2 shots at the Scaran. Hopefully I'll finish that off. Oh,
Yeah,
come on. That's
double
bad.
bad.
So bad. He's going to snap fire at the veterans. No, he's not. Task Squad's going to run 6 inches. They're on the move. Okay, so hopefully things will go my way this time. I'm going to try and assault his Praetor with my Praetor and Terminators. He does get his Overwatch.
1 crack grenade. No, it misses.
Okay, and I'm looking for a 4. Just barely. Just barely. In we go. Okay, so my Praetor did make it into combat, and he is issuing a challenge.
I'll accept.
And that's a good boy. Okay, so I'm going to attack first. 2 hits.
No wounds.
No wounds.
My Praetor is going to attack with his Mastercrafted Paragon Blade. I do have 6 attacks. Mastercrafted. So 3 hits. Oh, looking for those 6s again. But 2 wounds.
4 up and vulnerable. 1 wound. The rest of the squad does get to attack. So the Sergeant's Power Sword. He hits once. And he wounds.
Looking for that 2+. Oh, I'm good.
Okay, and then the Power Fist. This is where the pain comes. 12 attacks. So 5 hits, looking for 2s to wound. And that's... Sorry, 6 hits.
Look out, sir, onto your Praetor.
Oh yeah, sure, I'll just take that from you. No problem, let me jump in the way.
These are instant death, so anything other than a 4+ is him.
Oh,
yeah, so he died twice.
Yay! Consolidation, 5 inches.
They're going to get back into the Rhino, and then the Rhino is just going to move up 12 inches. Oh. Dangerous terrain. Nah, it's actually immobilized back here.
Yeah!
Raider's just going to move up 6. Point blank at the Spartan there. Sakaran's going to move over 6. Dangerous terrain. It's good. My Rhino here is going to pivot and tank shock this unit. What are you going to do?
I'm just going to get out of the way, so I'm just going to give you the room to...
I was going to move 12 to right there.
Give you the room.
Yeah. No. Land Raider, he's going to open up the Spartan there. I did move, so one of them is going to be Machine Spirited. Twin linked. They both hit. Looking for 5s. No, nothing from the Land Raider. Leviathan's going to open up on the Spartan. It's really the only thing within range and his line of sight. Starting with the flex. It does scatter onto a bunch of my stuff. So 12, 7 inches. Lands right there on my own Raider.
Yay.
I'm going to try and pen it. And I fail at that. My one Melta is going to shoot at the Spartan as well.
You don't want to shoot the Lander?
No. He does hit, needing a 6. No, nothing on that. Sakaran's going to shoot everything at the Terminators. I only move 6, so I can shoot everything. Starting with the Accelerator Autocannon. Twin linked. 4 hits. Looking for 2s, preferably 6s, so just 3 armor saves.
So 3 saves, 1 dies.
12 heavy bolter shots. Look for 3s. And looking for 3s again because of strength 5 on his toughness 4. So 5 armor saves, please.
So I'll start with the one guy for my Praetor. He's good, 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 and good.
The vets are going to have to shoot at the Terminator squad that's coming after them. I'll start with the one crack grenade. Hits. Does wound. Oh! Now I got 5 bolt pistols. 2 hits. Looking for 4s. Nothing from them. My vets are going to charge his Terminators. He will get to Overwatch.
Okay, so first up is the Combi Bolter. Misses, but twin linked. Still misses. We'll move on to the Plasma Blaster. Oh, it hits once. And it kills a guy.
Cover save. 4+. No, he failed that.
And the Volkite Charger. Misses.
I am looking for a 5 because I am in terrain. And I got a 10.
So I am at the higher initiative level, so my Praetor is going first.
Are you challenging?
I am challenging.
I will accept with my sergeant.
Okay. So I get my 5 attacks because of the Digital Asia. That was bad.
Mm-hmm.
Well, he's dead.
So my one sergeant's dead. My turn at initiative 4. I am hitting on 3s because of Weapon Master. I was hitting on 3s so it wasn't that bad. I did get 11 hits. Now I need force the wound. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Armor saves, please.
Yep. I'll do 3 on the squad first. It's good. 1 dies.
Yes.
My sergeant, who is now dead, is going to get to fight back. He gets his 2 attacks. 1 hit. And that's a dead Marine. The rest of the squad, the Power Fists, are going to get to attack back. They get 4 attacks altogether. 1 hit. And another guy dies.
Morale test, because I failed combat. I lost 1 guy in the Overwatch, 3 in the combat, and he gets +1 for his Warlord trait. So I am looking for a 3, and I fail. I do run away because he's in cataphractii armor with his 1 model, and I run 2 inches.
My consolidation move. I'm just going to be right in your face. Okay, Tactical Squad's going to move. I am moving into cover. They're moving 6 inches. Into cover. Spartan's going to pivot on the spot, so like this. The guy who rallied, who's all by himself, he's just going to move up 6 inches. Okay, so my Spartan's going to be firing at the Leviathan, machine spiriting this quad las cannon at that Rhino. So the one at the Leviathan, twin linked, and nothing.
Yes!
The one at the Rhino, 2 hits.
Actually, this is the one I want to fail.
And that's a pen.
Weapon?
Weapon. So I guess
The twin link bolter?
the twin link bolter. Heavy support squad is going to be firing at the Sicaran. He is going to be getting a cover save, but I need that thing dead. So 2 shots.
Yes!
And that was bad. Yeah. These guys are going to run! 1 inch. Saunter.
You have...
The Tactical Marine, the lone Tactical Marine, is going to try and do assault.
I will not overwatch because I want it to go elsewhere.
Okay. Oof, don't make it. Jumping into the next assault. The Terminators and Praetor are going to try and assault.
This is where I was saving my overwatch for. Bolters. 1 hit. Confer 4. And it's a wound.
I'm good. Now to assault. Oh, I'm in. I'm in. So in. Backflips in. Okay, so my Praetor is going to try and finish off the squad. This has been a poopy turn for me, so I would hope something goes right. Praetor.
Looking for 3s though.
And they're dead.
They are. Goes right into your own squad, eh?
Yeah, no, it doesn't. No, that's not how that works. Doing a consolidation move. 6 inches. Look at that.
Right into the trees.
No.
Raider's just going to pivot a bit to get a better shot on that Spartan. And this guy is going down Craig's throat to the very end there. This Karen is getting a nice cover save from that immobilized Leviathan, so he's just going to pivot a little bit to try and get a better line of sight on those Terminators. Rhino's going to do a repair roll. Oh, and he repairs it! Land Raider is going to shoot its... Actually, yeah, it's going to shoot both of its last cannons at the Spartan, and it's going to machine spirit its heavy bolter at the Marines there. Starting with the last cannons. Twin linked. Both hit. Looking for 5s. 1 pen. Hopefully I get that 6. No,
that's bad.
Just a shaken. Heavy bolters on the Marines there. Oh, there's that dice. They all hit. Looking for 3s again. 1 armor save, please.
Ah! I'm going to look out, sir.
Yes, you are.
Yes.
Karen's going to be shooting at the Terminators. I'll start with the Accelerator autocannons. Twin linked. They all hit. Looking for those 6s again. Oh, that's a wound. So 4 armor saves, please.
Okay, I'll do 2 at a time before it goes on my Praetor. Good. Oh, he's dead.
The onslaught of the heavy bolters. Hopefully they can do stuff.
They won't.
Probably not. But here's 12. Looking for 3s. So what is that? Oh. So 7. Look for 3s again. So 5 armor saves, please.
Oh, so 2 on him and 1 on him.
Mm-hmm.
And he already had a wound.
Did he? Leviathan's gonna shoot. The only thing he still can only hit. Grav Flux. It scatters 8 minus 5, so 3 inches that way, so it's still gonna hit 3d6. Hopefully this time, let's do some math. 13. No. The one Melta in his fist hits. Looking for that 6. No. The guys reminded me that the Marines can still shoot from outside of the hatch. I am snap firing because I did move over 6. Oh, 2 hits.
Look at that.
Looking for 4s.
Okay, so for my movement, it's going to be a fairly short one. I'm just going to pivot right on the spot. Everything else is staying still. Upon further review, I am going to move 1 more Marine. Not very far, but I am going to move him into cover. Okay, I need some stuff to get finished off. The Spartan's going to fire everything into the Leviathan. So all 4 last cannon shots. They all hit. A glance and a pen.
What do you want first?
Do the glance first.
Saved. Pen. By the blessing of the Amasaiah. Yes!
Continuing my firing. It's not going very well. The heavy support squad's going to fire at the Scaran. 2 shots. 1 hits. Nothing. Things aren't going well for me. But we are going to roll for turn 6 on a 4+. It goes to turn 6, and this gets worse for me. It's done. Good game.
Good game, man.
Good game.
Okay, guys, so that wraps that up. Good game for both you, eh?
Yeah.
That looked. It was pretty interesting, that's for sure. So for the scores, Dan ended up winning 5-1. He ended up getting Warlord, 3 points for being in Craig's deployment, and he also got the secondary attrition. Yeah. And Craig got the 1 point, which was the Warlord. So obviously these 2 Warlords kind of got beat down in the fight there.
Mine just got shot up like he usually does.
So starting with you, Dan, how did you feel the game went?
Well, I literally did what I said I was going to do by just throwing those tanks right into his deployment zone. So I'm pretty happy with the way things went. I mean, that Sikaran, if it didn't finish off those guys at the end, I think I would retire it.
Yeah. It puts out a lot of firepower, but really, I mean, it's still only heavy bolters.
Yeah.
Really, right? And the big gun. But I don't know about you, Craig. What do you think?
Well, las cannons suck, apparently, or at least my las cannons suck. Whenever I really needed them to do what they needed to do.
I don't know. It seemed both ways, because even mine...
Oh, yeah, yours weren't doing much better. Las cannons just suck. They just were not working in this game. Somebody forgot to turn them all the way up to max power. Who knows?
It might have been, yeah.
Either way, he... and then really went in there. It went poorly for me. Dice were not with me. It was all Dan. Dan won.
It was a good game, man.
Yeah, it was a good game.
So hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Hit
And
that
also,
notification button, dude.
Yeah, and
hit-
the bell
hit the
and
bell.
whatever else magic you got to do. There's also links too. I don't know if you guys noticed them.
In the description.
Yeah, in the description.
Yeah.
So again, hope you guys enjoyed it, and you'll join us next time.
Big shout out to Adam RUSSMAN, who was the winner of our last painting submission. As you can see from these pictures, his Space Wolves are wonderfully done. As a fellow Space Wolf player, I'm totally blown away. You are able to also see more of Adam's work on his Instagram, found in the description below, which I definitely recommend going to. He's got lots of legions, like a huge array painted legions up for you to check out. If you'd like to see your army submission on one of our next upcoming battle reports, don't forget to submit your pictures to Bad Tabletop Gaming on Facebook come July 1st. Thanks a lot.